Hello, today I would like to show you how to replace the CMOS battery on the Dell Latitude D610, but it's going to be exactly the same for a whole series of models. The CMOS battery is located under that compartment. We are going to remove that one screw. We've got our battery, which is located over here, and a small connector. We can pull it through the wire, and this is what we've got. As you can see, it is a regular CR2032 battery, but it is a heat shrink wrap and have attached those wires. In general, I'm purchasing them in bulk. I've got set like this. The idea is that if the plug doesn't match, I just cut the wire and solder the old plug, so feel free to do that. Before plugging in, make sure that you've got exactly the same polarity. Looks like I've got a good match. I've got exactly the same plug and the same polarity. Just like that. We've got a little bit longer wire, but it is absolutely no problem. We can safely tuck it in, and we still got enough room. We just screw it back and done. Now our real-time clock and BIOS settings are not going to be lost. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.